Hello everybody. I'm going to talk about my ammo box. Now y'all might recognize the brand name, the Sharper Image, which is no longer in business. That's how old this thing is. It's a computer case, I think. Has some wheels on it. And it has a handle right here. And it rolls around. And this is what I have my ammo in. Now, this was laying around my mom's house for a long time. I don't know how it even got here, but I decided one day, I got the bright idea, hey, why don't I use it to store my ammo in? Because I had it in boxes and whatnot stuff. And then I saw this thing. I said, this might be ideal for storing my ammo. Let me open up this first. Try to do this one-handed. So what I got in here is stuff like bore scrubber, gun sock. I don't know if you can see, there's some 223 in there. I use this Monarch ammo 223. Some of it's brass, some of it's steel. It really works well and fairly accurate. I've really been pleased with it. Some 22s. .62 by 39. Yep. Monarch. I usually buy my ammo from Academy. I've got a few stash in here. I don't know what this is. This is lacquered coated. I don't like it because it kind of makes a mess of the gun. It's a little bit harder to clean because of the lacquer that's on the steel cartridge. Steel case. That's what's in that side of it. Make some room. My 22's going here. Yeah, it's not fireproof like some people would probably want it. Go out and probably make a pretty good fireworks show if their house ever caught on fire. Nothing in there. Some batteries for the red dots. Some tools for the optical cleaning rag. Just odds and ends. Some of the time I don't even know what's in here. And it has this level here. Ah, okay. So I've got some 6.5 Creedmoor. Cellared and Ballot Creedmoor, and a whole bunch of 308. That's what's in there. I think this is the light or the laser. I don't know yet because I have a light mount. Can't open it. Anyway, it's a light I got from Amazon, I believe. And I have another case similar to it, and it is a laser. And has a Picanelli rails, I guess is they're called. Is that right? I might be saying that wrong. Mount. You can mount it to your AR or whatever you have that has that on there. Let me see what's on this side. Oh, This is the bigger box of the ammo. More 7.632. I'm pretty sure that there is some 223 in here too. Oh, I got some 9mm. Mostly Monarch. Now, the case is very heavy, as you might imagine, with all this ammunition in here. But this thing was laying around, and I wanted someplace to put my ammo in. With all this stuff in it, it probably weighs about 60 pounds, I'm guessing. But if you take it out to the range, you can wheel it in. It has wheels on it, you know, it's because it's designed to travel, airlines and stuff. Anyway, I thought it'd be interesting for y'all to see what I have here. Thanks for watching.